family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Selena Zenchak. My channel is about DIY natural hair and beauty. If that's something that interests you, come on and join the family. Whenever I just want to reset my scalp and my hair, or just to revive my hair, this is what I use. I got my bentonite clay, my mixing bowl, please stay away from metals, my aloe vera juice, and my apple cider vinegar. I'm just going to eyeball all my measurement. I'm mixing this for my daughter and myself here, according to our hair length and hair thickness. So just try to do the same. And now add in my aloe vera juice. I will be going in with my apple cider vinegar. Mixing bentonite clay can be a little bit difficult to get a smooth consistency. So this is a little trick that I discovered. I first put in my liquid and then I just try to spread the clay over the liquid. I'm just going to keep adding the clay until I feel that I have enough for both of us here. After, just set your clay aside. Let the clay just slowly dissolve in the liquid. Like that, you will have a very smooth mixture. You wouldn't have any nuts in it, and it also not going to take you a long time mixing. You can use that time to do something else. So this is what I did. Now that my clay is set aside, I'm just going to pour in my loquat leaf solution because I'm going to be using this on my daughter and myself here also. So that's our clay, our loquat leaf solution, and I will transfer it into the spray bottle. Our clay mask is ready. Once you do not see any trace of water anymore, that means it's time for you to check it. As you can see, we have a very smooth mixture. There is no nuts in it. If your mixture is too thick and you don't have the right measurement, you can always go in with regular water or whatever you are using to mix your clay mask. You guys know I don't like my products to be too thick, so I'm gonna go in with a little bit more of my loquat leaf solution. Once your clay is already mixed like this, for you to add in water to get the consistency that you want is much easier. So after going in with my loquat leaves, this is the consistency that I got, and this is perfect for me. So this is my dry, tangled up, matted up, crispy hair. After being in Minnesota harsh weather, it's time for me to revive my hair and also just reset my hair. I'm first gonna do my pre-poo treatment. And to do my pre-poo treatment, I'm just using my aloe vera juice, my S Secrets growth oil, and a conditioner, just to make sure that I get a lot of tangles off from my hair. A pre-poo treatment is just a little treatment that you give your hair before going in with your shampoo. For that reason, I'm using my clay mask as my shampoo. And after, I will just leave my pre-poo treatment on for 30 minutes. And then I will go and rinse it out. I'm done rinsing out my pre-poo treatment. I got my clay mask. I love to apply my mask on damp hair. So I'm just going to part it in smaller sections, making sure you are also applying enough on your scalp, because this is also great for your scalp, not only your hair. As we all know, our hair grows from our scalp, so having a very clean scalp that can contribute to healthy hair growth and faster hair growth. Bentonite clay is a natural ingredient that is sourced directly from the earth. It has a negative charge, so it attracts positive charge. It also removes product buildups on the hair and the scalp, working as a clarifier and a detoxifier. Think about bentonite clay like a magnet for product buildups. When you wash the clay out of your hair, you remove all impurities and buildups with it. The property of bentonite clay also make it effective at drawing out toxins, heavy metals, chemicals, and impurities, especially if you also have hard water in your city. This is something that you should try to use at least twice a month. Bentonite clay is also antimicrobial, and it helps with irritated or flaky scalps, in addition to psoriasis and dermatitis. Bentonite clay contains a mixture of natural minerals that are beneficial for your hair and can encourage hair growth. It moisturizes, conditions, softens, and reduces frizz. Bentonite clay also encourages curl definition and shine. I notice when I use bentonite clay, I do not notice a much of curl definition to my hair, but I do notice shine. So if it also helps with your curl definition, then please let others know down in the comment section. So after applying the clay to my hair, this is how my hair is looking. I left the clay on for a couple of hours and it's very hard now. I'm now going to rinse it out and go in with my homemade deep condition treatment. It also left with you if you want to follow up with a deep condition treatment. Some people, when they rinse the clay out, they just go straight into styling their hair. But as for me, I just love to put in extra moisture back into my hair because it really clarifies your hair and draws out all your natural oils and so. So I'm going in with my aloe vera deep condition. I will leave that video down in the description box just in case if you want to check it out. So I will leave my deep condition treatment on for a couple of hours and then I will also sit under my steamer. After, I will rinse it out. After rinsing my deep condition treatment out, this is how my hair looks. It feels very soft and bouncy. It also looks very shiny. Okay family, so if you love this video, please do not forget to give me a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.